Hey everybody, Justin Lindhorst with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I'm standing on board one of our latest trade-ins, this beautiful 2023 Aquila 36 power catamaran. This is one of my all-time favorite boats, and you'll see why when you step aboard and we do a tour through the boat. Please enjoy. Thank you. So we'll be starting on the aft of the Aquila 36 and making our way forward today. Right beside me, you'll see she's powered with the twin Mercury 300 V8 engines. A lot of power. This boat really cruises effortlessly at 25 knots and tops out just over 30. So a lot of power. Some really neat features on the 36 Aquila is having the outboard power. She can draft just 2 feet of water with those engines trimmed up. So you can get right up into the shallows behind me if you look at the sandbar. That's a great feature, having a big 36-foot catamaran. So a lot of features beneath me. We have a beautiful big swim patio with a dive ladder that pulls out. It's one of the largest ladders you're gonna find on a boat in this category. So if you want to do some scuba diving, it's a really big ladder to get out of the water with your scuba gear. And we have a lot of space in the engine wells on either side that you can mount some dive tank racks if you would like as well. Another cool feature in the center of the seating is this seat does fold out into a day bed or an off sun bed. I know my wife really enjoys to hang out back there, and you just got a lot of lounging out area for your friends and family hanging out at the back of the boat. You will notice we have a port and starboard swim door. If you're boarding from a dock or a restaurant, you don't have to decide which side you need to dock at. Very easy to get on and off. Right beside me, you have a grill. Absolutely one of my favorite places to grill, hanging outdoors, cooking on the Canyon grill. Right beneath you, you have a refrigerator as well. And not to forget, just above me, you'll see these stainless steel poles right there. That's to accommodate a paddleboard or a kayak, which is really handy to have, especially if you are cruising through the Bahamas and places like that, which this boat is entirely designed to do. So making our way forward into the cockpit, this particular boat, it has what they call the half-height windshield package with the enclosure which drops down. So once this enclosure drops down to the floor, your air conditioning is tremendous. It really gets ice cold in here. I enjoy this version because it really, once you open it up, it just gives you a very social area to entertain and gather right here. And then in the cooler months, you can unzip the windows if you want to get a nice breeze through the boat, which is pretty cool. So back here, we have a sink. We have an electric cooktop, and beneath that, we have another refrigerator. There is a cabinet for storage and a lot of counter space. If you wanted to put a blender or maybe a TV on the counter, you can. Right beside me on the port side, we do have a dining table. This table does lower. There is a cushion that you can add on top of it, which is included in this boat. So this gives you another sleeping area. So 36-foot boat with the ability to sleep 6 people. So each cabin has a double bed, and you can sleep 2 up here if you needed to. So just a great lounge out area. There is a cooler beneath this seat, and our house batteries are beneath that seat right there. You'll notice all the air conditioning vents. So right now the air is blowing ice cold. It's really, really beautiful. So at the helm on this Aquila 36, we got everything you need, from the joystick piloting for the Mercury V8 engines, beautiful controls, and right in front of me I have twin Raymarine Axiom 12 navigation units. They do have the radar up on the hardtop as well as the through-hole transducer. We have underwater lights. We have beautiful ambient lighting. At nighttime, this boat really stands out. It's a sight to be seen. It's absolutely beautiful. We got the Fusion stereo controller right here, as well as a remote spotlight. One of my favorite features on this Aquila 36 is just the ability to do absolutely anything you want. The boat is capable of running to the Bahamas for multiple weeks. You can run it to the sandbar with a group of friends. You can run it just offshore if you want to watch a sunset. It's really a boat that can do absolutely everything. A lot of people refer it to the Swiss Army knife of boats out there. You do feature 2 cabins on board this 36, which makes it definitely unique in this category. So each cabin can comfortably sleep a couple, and each cabin has its own head and shower as well. Tons of storage down there. So it's really a boat that can do it all. So let's give you a peek at the bow. There is so much room up front. You can have 8 of your closest friends just hanging out on the bow, or you can just have two beautiful big sun lounges. So on the starboard side, you can see I have it in the sun lounging position, just like that. Plenty space for two people to lounge out, or you can pop these up just like you'll see on the port side, where you have opposed seating on both sides. So super easy. You can have two couples there, and so forth on that side as well. Easy access to your anchor gear. Once again, more storage beneath where I'm standing. So if you'd like to take a closer look at this boat, guys, my name's Justin Lindos. I'm down at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Give me a shout direct, 239-770-7096. Be happy to get you on board and give you a closer look. Thank you.